Test, test. I did it. Video, please. Video. Run the video. Okay. Don't need that anymore. Um. So. My brain is burning, and I'm done though. As soon as I'm in a few minutes, I'm completely asleep. Was hungry like 10 minutes ago. I'm good. But hungry, not good. Um, I think I did a little bit of trying to understand the dot join when it comes to Python. I can't. I I can't program right now, and I don't even think video games. No Snake. No nothing. I can't think. I can't move. I can't type. Feels weird. Can't wait to go to sleep. P dot join after start. Create process. So I think P dot join does a lot more than I thought it did after reading through. Uh, I think I read through Stack Overflow. I don't remember Stack Overflow, and maybe I don't know what that website was. But that website talks a lot about Python modules and stuff like that, and has little bits of code. So I think it is pretty like, it does a thing, like what I mean by that. Uh, I'll explain by example. So if you have the dot join, it'll close the thread, the process. It'll stop the process. If you join the process, it'll stop it. If you don't, I think it could stop itself, and if it doesn't stop itself, then you can stop it via just stopping it like any other process. Um, as far as the context of this bits of code that I'm looking at, it doesn't mean a whole lot, I think. Even if it's like this important thing. Uh, the main thread seemed to exit fine for now. I'm not sure if I'm just creating a billion processes, but I'll take a look at that later. After I had a good amount of sleep. I have no idea what to do. And I don't know. Is there like a game I could just click a whole bunch of times but that like ends within like 5 minutes? Uh, I don't think there's a game like that. I'm trying to run through a list of games in my head to see if I want to like click around for a tiny little bit longer, but I think I'm done. Uh, there's not really a point in continuing for like 2 hours or something. Uh, I guess I could write. I don't know. What if I wrote a script? What if I tested? Hmm. I feel like in order to do some automated stuff, I would want to do screenshot and find image and image stuff. Uh, for reliability, because I just had the idea of so in order to start um, I have to uh, open up a new terminal. Uh, actually, the first step is just to. I'm normally in this position. First step is to click this, so that automated. The second thing is to open up a new terminal, or to go to this tag, open up a new terminal. OBS into zone, or get rid of the terminal, don't need it. And then OBS appears, and then the start button. Um, I think image recognition, because I don't know, like finding uh, finding what's it called? The like Windows, Windows would probably not move much, but uh, let's say it starts bigger, or maybe I accidentally opened up two terminals, so it's more to the right. So I feel like uh, finding that image is more consistent, because that image will always be on the screen because you're intending to click the image. But that's not as simple as, oh, here's a point, uh, press a button, it gives you the position of that point. To do that, you would have to take a screenshot of the image, uh, in order for you to get started with the process of searching for that image and the position of that image. It does a lot of that stuff for you. All you would need is to take that screenshot, but I think because you can take a screenshot with the stuff, I need to automate the automation again. It's where just like how commonly I like to press a button to see what chords the mouse are on, or uh, press the button multiple times and then have that get added to a list that prints out at the end, or you can copy paste it into another script. I need to like fully automate it, where you'd run uh, setup and you'd give it a name, right? A name to call for you to do that, and you would it would be hard because I'd want to type commands. So mouse point here, mouse point here. It knows the screenshot and it knows to click it. Um, but what if you wanted to add delays, or what if you wanted to type stuff? Because the way I would think about adding delays is like, okay, you do this click, it knows to click it, but then you add a 1 second delay before you start typing. I would open up the console, um, and type something like delay one for 1 second or something like that, right? Something simple. No import time dot sleep, messing with the script. That will all be handled. Just type in delay one, and it knows to add that to whatever automation name you found. But then it's like, what if you wanted to automate a key press? Oh, but I guess you could just do something like this: key pop or string pop. There you go. Problem solved. Uh, that'll be a good one for next time. I'll do that next time. Uh, so it's now Thursday, March 23. We're 5 minutes in. Nice cookie clicker. I feel like I would just completely lag out, opening up the old save. Okay, that's it. 6 minutes in.